On a previous episode, Kim and I purchased a storage locker for some $37 and change. This unit was definitely interesting. It's got all types of little secrets about it, and we're going to unravel all these right now. We're going to go through and look through some boxes. We're going to go through and just see if there's any money to be made with this unit. So far, this unit looks a little sketch, though, I do got to admit. So let's stay tuned here, guys. Let's see what we do today. All right, we got a tub of shoes here, and the question is, are these the Timberlands for the Timberland box we found? I don't know, but we'll have to find out. These appear to be in pretty decent shape, Kim. Yeah. Timberlands aren't cheap, so we got a matching pair right there. That's a nice find.
Clean them up a little.
Clean them up. I don't know what these are. Zara Man. So probably flea market material if we find the other one, which doesn't exist in here.
It might be in one of the others.
Yeah. There's a nice, tear in the Nike. But they look like they're in pretty good shape. So that will probably be a Nike Prime Hype DF, probably a flea market thing, if we find that a pair. We got here, Nike Airs, Air Force Ones. These are in excellent condition.
Great.
Yeah. Made in Vietnam.
Well, some little kid made them.
From 2014. So these might be some cashola here. They're in really great condition, honestly. You want to sport these?
I don't think my feet will fit in them. Well, they'll fit, but they'll fall off.
Hey, we got some Air Jordans. Not sure what model these are, but these came out of they came out in 2012, and we got two of them. We got a pair.
The tongue on the one looked like there was something on it.
Where?
On the inside of it, that one.
Oh yeah, it's got.
No. The other.
Oh, it's got
Just
crap.
Junk.
We'll have to clean that up. These might be a $40, $50 bill and up. So between the Timberlands, the Air Force Ones, and the Jordans, this could possibly be $150. Maybe more, just in shoes.
And we can have a party with the big ass punch bowl.
Is that what this is? A punch bowl?
Yeah.
Pest Solutions. Your apartment was serviced today. Percentage of Max Force EC 0.05. 3 grams?
No, it's for the pest control, the spray.
Oh.
I'm telling you how much spray.
Oof. Okay. Well. Another Christmas present. Who's it from? I have no idea. Can you help me with that? Corbett?
Love Dad. Albert. To Albert.
Love Dad?
Love Dad.
Oh. What
Look
did Dad?
at the fancy. Like, it's so fancy.
Oh my gosh. What's in this thing? All right, let's push this aside here, because that could be special.
You're killing me.
You're killing me, Smalls. What do we got here? Top Gun. Pellet plates. Rodents. Oh my God. Rodent packs. Okay. We got some jeans here. Some Bella House jeans. Or jean shorts. Calling cards. Oh, those are his business cards.
Another suit jacket?
Our suit jacket. Made in Mexico. This is a Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah. Tommy Hilfiger.
Oh.
I'm gonna get me that Tommy money, Kim. Tommy money. Whoa, mo.
All right, well, let's not go through all of that right now.
No, they'll save that for a rainy day.
And you might want to watch what's underneath there, maybe.
Yeah. All right. What do they got here? Whoa. I see goodies down here, guys. I see boxes of goodies.
U.S. tax lien info.
Queen Latifah life support. 4 stars. Is it in here? Yes. I've never seen that. Love me some Queen Latifah. That's my girl.
Oh my God.
All right, let's save this. There's a lot of
stuff
in here.
Because there's a magazine under there that...
Okay, well, we can always edit it out. Oh! Okay, what do we have here? Snot rag. Oh, what is this? What is this? We got the Beverly Hills Polo Club's body spray.
Oh.
Okay. Looks to be brand new. Well, they paid $8, so maybe I can get a buck or two at the flea market for it. New York Knicks. Snapback. Harvard Classics. $3 flea market maybe. Kim, you were knocking over the rookie bombshell, Ashley Graham.
Okay, well, all I said was I saw skin, so I wasn't sure what was going on in there.
That's a bigger woman, huh?
For Sports Illustrated?
Yeah.
Well, maybe she's just actually like a normal sized woman. Let's not call her a bigger woman because
I'm not trying to be like offensive. It's just that I haven't seen one of these swimsuit Sports Illustrated things in 20 years.
Well, I'll tell you what,
things have changed, I'm sure.
I don't think they could airbrush enough of me to look like that, so.
Okay, so we got some stuff here. U.S. tax lien information.
This looks like going to paperwork.
Tax lien. Oh, man, I just hit the jackpot. Tax liens for profit.
Oh.
Oh, my God, it kind of looks familiar. Doesn't it look familiar? Leave a comment down below if this looks like some crazy stuff you've seen on YouTube. Meet Sean and Tony with 40 years combined experience. They, too, started in their mom's basement. But they started doing the Tax Lien Investment Bible from 1991. They now drive a Corvette and make millions.
Wow.
And I've got it all right here.
Wow.
Oh, God, you know what? This is gold. This is content creation, Kim, to the max.
Oh, my God.
Because that's what you do. You just copy somebody who knows what they're talking about.
Yeah.
Use their information and sell it and make it rich. That's a keeper.
That's a keeper.
That's a freaking keeper. But I saw some stuff down here.
That's a laptop case.
That is a laptop case. What's in here? Any laptop profits? Oh, yeah.
Bruce.
What?
We haven't seen anything about Bruce.
No, Brad and Bruce are the mix here now. It's got a weird smell to it. Okay.
Oh, I see a goodie down there.
Yeah, I do. At home in Mitford. Another laptop bag. Look at a smartwatch.
Is it in there? That's the question.
It looks like something they bought off Alibaba. Come on. Is it in there? Here we go.
I still think you could make money off it if it's in there.
Oh!
Oh, and it's empty. Of course it is.
I get excited when I saw something like that.
Yeah, but look at this.
What is that?
Another iPhone.
iPhone.
I don't know which
Blue edition.
model it is. Pookie.
That looks like it's in pretty good condition. Looks like an iPhone 4 or something, doesn't it? Yeah, nice little iPhone. Using professional home kit, global whitening. And the rest of this, I got all excited. I saw that smartwatch or something. I'm like, this looks promising, but this appears to be nothing but paperwork. Let's do another double take. Oh, we got a tablet. Cracked tablet. You know how many of these we have in the garage?
Yeah, let's just not.
I just think one of these days I'm just going to line them all up and just throw them in auction. They're going to rip. You know? There was a guy when we were selling at the flea market before that would buy that stuff. Oh my God, $25,000 cash. Call now.
Did you say you need a jump drive? Is there a jump drive on here?
Uh-oh, PayPal profits.
Oh.
Oh, there it is, PayPal.
Is it like square?
Yeah,
like
that's what
square
it
version.
E-readers.
Code tap to activate. Code
Calculator, tape. Well, it looks like his
There's another cord in there for something though.
e-business wasn't really taking off very
With
well.
a charger?
LG charger. Oh, all right. Well, that was kind of disappointing.
I guess he didn't get rich from the tax liens, or maybe he did and said, "Forget the stuff in this locker.
Yes,
I've got all brand new now."
That's a possibility. Yeah, he said the heck with it. The plot thickens here, people. So I have a feeling here after looking through some of this paperwork, this was some kind of Nigerian scam. There are so many files in here of people's tax information, addresses, copies of IDs. It's kind of crazy here. I just found 2 checks. One here for $5,390, another one for $1,936. It's one person in Maryland and one person in Arizona. This is a payment receipt book where he's giving cash to people for down payments for cars, right?
At least that's what he's
Yeah,
saying.
at least that's what I was saying. But all of these are paperwork. All this paperwork here has gotten people's private information, right? And I don't know, something's fishy here. So I wouldn't be surprised this guy's locked up somewhere for embezzlement or cheating the system, or maybe he flew the kite and went back to where he was from. Because, I mean, we had a problem one time many, many years ago. Remember that, Kim?
Yeah.
where there was a check involved, and we contacted the bank, and the bank says, wait a minute, this isn't a legit check. You can pull it out of this account. And so I decided to contact the owner of the check because it was made out to us. Yeah. And the owner's like, I have no idea what you're talking about. And it was a big scam deal that we got involved with. We didn't cash a check. We turned the guy in. But I have a feeling this is what we're looking at here. Pretty insane. Pretty insane. All right, we are back here today with the remainder of the storage unit. It's a Nigerian scam.
Wait.
What?
Time out.
What?
I should probably change my shirt.
No, don't change your shirt. We're shooting the same night. They don't know this.
They're about to.
Well, now they see. Yeah. Hey, sometimes we just shoot a back-to-back videos, right? I was so exhausted in the last video. I was like, I got to call it quits. I got a little bit of energy left of me. So,
okay.
But this is Nigerian scam unit.
Yes, it's gotta be.
I can't explain
The
it.
paperwork that we have found and the pictures we found, it all matches.
Yeah, I mean, there's $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 checks. There's just craziness. And we got this whole thing here. It just looks like paperwork. But we're gonna open this up. We're gonna try to see if we can finish up everything here today or the next day with what's in the unit. But here, let's open this. There it is. Now again, this is from Albert.
No, to Albert.
From Daddy.
From Dad.
Okay, come on, big money, big money, big money. No whammies.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Wouldn't you freak if it's all the cash?
Here, Albert.
Like, I think Albert fled the country, honestly. Albert took the money and ran.
All right, there we go. Come on, Bo. Oh my gosh, another one.
Well, you can just lift the board.
No, but you kind of can't.
Even the dogs are excited about this box, Kim. Here we go. Oh, God, here we go. All right, for the camera, Kim.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Let's
All
see.
right, here it goes. Okay. Tissue paper.
Come on. Oh,
Clothing.
darn it. It's the story of my life. What do we got here? Well, Dad, did you get us something good?
Dad went to Old Navy.
Old Navy?
Dad went to Old Navy and got us a long sleeve
Just a
shirt.
plain old Navy one?
And he also went to
Is that
someplace that,
Roundtree, New York? What is that, like Target or?
well,
Dillard's?
it might be Target. I think that's
Oh,
the
no, that's
clearance.
the Dillard's one, is
Oh,
it?
Dillard's one. It's a clearance.
Okay, well,
Dad shopped on clearance and
Thanks,
got a
Dad.
T-shirt. Thanks, Dad.
Dad, come on.
That was not exciting, Dad.
I'm old enough now, Dad, where I need better shirts.
It was not very exciting, Dad. Should have let Mom buy the Christmas presents.
That should have been a couple bucks.
She does better.
This could have been, the box is worth more than freaking clothing, Kim.
Send me a check instead, Dad, next year, okay?
Albert, you took the money and ran. You could have left us some cash. Damn it. Ah.
Well, that was highly anticlimactic.
Yeah, no, that was ridiculous. Completely ridiculous waiting here.
I stayed up for this.
I know. Joe Kenda's on. Kim.
Disappointed in you, Dad.
I wanted to go sit back down and try to relax and watch Joe Kenda.
Well, now I'm going to. I'm not even looking at that now
No,
tonight.
yeah, I think I'm done too. No, seriously, I am.
No.
We'll continue this video tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
No, that was...
Yeah. Box. Ugh. He buys a car off a guy, and does payments on it, then turns around and gets a title loan on it for $225. I mean, it's craziness,